Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset and set up camera position for Insta360 Link web camera. And to do this I'll be using Insta360 Link controller app, which you can download from their website. I also shown in my previous video on how to do it. And right here I have this app opened, and now you can see that my camera is zooming in on the eye of this miniature. And now let's change the position, or actually click on this plus to save this position. That way we'll be able to restore this specific position by pressing on the button right here. But now let's just change the gimbal to a different place. Now we can click on the position that we want to restore, and now it should go back to the same position. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.